Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your ultimate destination for discovering top products and unbeatable deals. Today, we're diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling storage cabinets on Amazon. From innovative designs to stylish solutions, we've curated a list that promises to revolutionize your space. Whether you're looking to maximize storage or simply enhance your home decor, you're in the right place. Without further ado, let's jump right into our countdown and explore the best storage cabinets that are flying off the shelves. At number 5 in our countdown, we have a game changer for any workshop or warehouse: the BooPower Tool Chest with 8 drawers. This is not just any tool cabinet. It's a meticulously engineered masterpiece designed to transform your workspace. First, let's talk durability. This tool chest is built from high-quality steel and coated with a powder finish. It's not just strong, it's resilient. Scratch, dent, and chip-resistant, this cabinet will stand the test of time while adding a sophisticated touch with its classic color scheme. But here's where it gets even better: the detachable design. You can split it into a top toolbox and a bottom tool cart, each with its own locking system, giving you unparalleled versatility. Now let's dive into storage. With 8 drawers, 2 large, 3 medium, and 3 small, plus a spacious top layer and bottom cabinet, this tool chest accommodates tools of all sizes. But wait, there's more. Each drawer is lined and comes with 8 side hooks for extra tools, and 7 storage boxes help keep everything organized and within reach. Operational smoothness? Absolutely. The drawers glide open and close effortlessly, thanks to the precision slide rails. And for security, both sections lock with keys, so you can rest easy knowing your tools are safe. Maintenance is a breeze with this tool chest. Its rust-proof, scratch-resistant materials make cleaning straightforward, and the padded drawers offer excellent cushioning and heat insulation, protecting your tools from damage. Finally, portability is key. With 2 handles on the top box and handbars on the bottom cabinet, moving this chest is easy. The 4 universal casters, 2 with brakes, ensure effortless maneuverability, so you can position it exactly where you need it. In a nutshell, the BooPower Tool Chest with 8 drawers is a blend of strength, storage, and convenience, setting a new standard for tool organization.
At number 4 in our countdown, we present a versatile gem that's transforming the way we organize: the Bamboo Cabinet Drawer Organizer and Storage Tray Box Divider Set. Crafted with precision and elegance, this isn't just a storage solution, it's a statement of both functionality and style. First, let's appreciate the craftsmanship. Made from high-quality, sustainable bamboo, this organizer exudes durability and natural charm. Each angle and surface has been meticulously smoothed by skilled artisans, ensuring a firm and eco-friendly product that stands up to daily use. But it's not just about looks. This organizer is a multitasking marvel. Imagine it gracing your nightstand, displaying its elegance on your kitchen countertop, or bringing order to your office desk. It's perfect for storing jewelry, organizing cosmetics, keeping sewing supplies like needles and threads, or corralling office essentials. Its multifunctional design seamlessly blends into any decor setting, making it a versatile addition to every room. Size matters, and this organizer doesn't disappoint. At 5, 9x5, 9x2, 2 inches, it's designed to fit precisely where you need it without wasting space. The thinned walls ensure that it occupies minimal drawer space, allowing you to fit multiple organizers in a single drawer, optimizing every inch of your storage area. Maintenance? A breeze. Simply wipe with a cloth or use mild soap and water for cleaning. Dry thoroughly to ensure it remains in top condition for years to come. In essence, the Bamboo Cabinet Drawer Organizer and Storage Tray Box Divider Set is where elegance meets practicality. With its sturdy build, multifunctional design, and effortless upkeep, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to elevate their organizational game. At number 3 in our countdown, we unveil the ArtBin 9100 AB Super Satchel Slim, a true marvel for anyone who loves to craft and organize. This isn't just another storage container, it's a meticulously designed solution that blends practicality with elegance. Let's start with the core of its brilliance: organization. This Super Satchel Slim is crafted to house your craft supplies with precision. From 12x12 scrapbook paper and cardstock to sketch pads, small tools, and stamp pads, it keeps everything in its rightful place. It's not just about storing, it's about enhancing your creative workflow. Constructed from durable polypropylene plastic, this organizer is built to last. It's designed to endure the rigors of frequent use, maintaining its shape and functionality over time. The one open core compartment, with its rounded edges, is perfect for safeguarding your precious papers and sheets from damage, ensuring every corner remains intact. But it doesn't stop there. The ArtBin Super Satchel Slim is designed for seamless integration with other ArtBin products. It fits snugly into the Super Satchel Cube and rolling tote, making it part of a versatile organizing system that adapts to your needs. Smart features abound, starting with the snap-tight closures that secure your contents during transport. The sturdy handle is ergonomically designed, making it easy to carry from one creative space to another. And when it comes to stacking, the clever design ensures stability, so you can stack multiple satchels without worry. Measuring 15.25 x 14 x 2 inches and coming in a translucent color, this Super Satchel Slim is as practical as it is stylish. It's not just a storage box, it's a gateway to an organized and inspired crafting experience. In essence, the ArtBin 9100 AB Super Satchel Slim is the perfect blend of durability, functionality, and smart design. It's the ultimate tool for anyone looking to elevate their craft organization and make every creative session a breeze.
Are you loving the countdown of the best-selling storage cabinets on Amazon? Well, don't let your organization skills gather dust. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you're always in the loop with the top picks. At number 2 in our countdown, we present the Iris USA 24 Storage Drawer Organizer, a versatile and indispensable tool for every organizer's arsenal. This isn't just a storage cabinet, it's a masterclass in efficiency and design. Let's dive into its brilliance. This multi-purpose organizer is your go-to solution for a myriad of storage needs. Whether you're dealing with screws, nuts, bolts, office supplies, craft materials, or even fishing gear, this cabinet rises to the occasion. It's designed to handle it all, keeping everything in its place and within easy reach. The design is as smart as it is functional. With grooves on the lid, these organizers stack securely, making it easy to build a custom storage solution that grows with your needs. Prefer to keep things off the floor? No problem. It can also be wall-mounted, turning your wall space into a neat, organized haven for small parts and tools. The 24 multi-drawers offer unparalleled versatility. Sort and store with ease. Each drawer is designed for quick access, so you can grab exactly what you need without a hassle. And because the drawers glide smoothly, accessing even the smallest items becomes a simple task. Proudly made in the USA, this organizer is crafted from high-quality, recyclable materials. The durable plastic construction ensures longevity, while the smooth glide drawers make sure you can access your contents effortlessly. Measuring 19.5 inches long by 7 inches wide and 15.5 inches high, with individual drawers sized at 6x 4x 2 inches. It's the perfect blend of compact and spacious. In essence, the Iris USA 24 Storage Drawer Organizer is a paragon of practical design. It offers unparalleled flexibility, robust construction, and a user-friendly experience that makes it an essential addition to any organized space. At number 1 in our countdown, we unveil the ultimate in storage precision. The Iris USA Craft Cabinet Storage with 44 drawers. This is not just a tool organizer. It's the pinnacle of efficiency and versatility, designed to elevate your organizational game to new heights. Imagine a storage solution that handles every task with grace. This multi-purpose organizer is a game changer for managing screws, hardware, small parts, nuts, bolts, stationery, office supplies, craft materials, beads, and even fishing gear. Whether you're a crafter, DIY enthusiast, or professional, this cabinet adapts to your needs with unparalleled ease. The design is brilliantly functional. Featuring grooves on the lid, these cabinets stack securely, allowing you to build your ideal storage system. Prefer a more permanent setup? It's wall-mountable too, making it a flexible solution for any workspace. Whether stacked or mounted, it organizes screws, hardware, and small parts with effortless efficiency. With 44 drawers of varying sizes, you can sort and store your materials with precision. The large drawers, measuring 6x4x2 inches, and the smaller drawers, at 6x1.75x1.5 inches, ensure you have the right space for every item. Accessing your tools and supplies is a breeze thanks to the smooth glide drawers, designed for easy identification and quick retrieval. Crafted in the USA from high-quality recyclable materials, this organizer is not only durable but also eco-friendly, boasting Green Circle certification. Its sturdy plastic construction means it's built to withstand daily use, while maintaining a sleek and functional design. Measuring 19.5 inches long, 7 inches wide, and 15.5 inches high, this cabinet offers ample storage in a compact form. In summary, the Iris USA Craft Cabinet Storage with 44 drawers is the ultimate choice for anyone seeking the perfect blend of versatility, durability, and smart design. It stands as the top choice for transforming your storage solutions and keeping your workspace impeccably organized. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling storage cabinets on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest top sellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the fantastic products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.